Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we discuss gaseous exchange in animals. Different organisms have different type of gaseous exchange structure which are designed to suit their habitats. Gaseous exchange in lower organism. The four type of respiratory organs found among animals are body surface or skin, air tubes or trachea, gills and lungs. In lower organisms like amoeba, sponge, hydra and earthworm, there are no specialized organs for respiration. In these organisms, gaseous exchange occur by means of diffusion through the body surface via the cell membrane. Respiration in unicellular organism. In unicellular organisms like amoeba, there are no specialized organs for respiration. So, the gaseous exchange in amoeba take place by means of diffusion via the cell membrane. The oxygen dissolved in water diffuses into the body and is utilized for the release of energy during respiration. The carbon dioxide produced is expelled out through the cell membrane. Some other unicellular organisms like paramecium and planaria also respire through cell membrane. Respiration in earthworm. Earthworms live in the soil and respire through the skin. The skin is thin, moist, highly permeable and rich supplied with blood capillaries that are present immediately below the cuticle. The oxygen absorbed by the skin is transported to all the cells of the body. The carbon dioxide produced is carried back by the blood capillaries and is expelled through the skin. Gaseous exchange in higher organism. In case of higher organism, simple diffusion of gases does not satisfy the body's demand for oxygen. In order to cope with the increased need, certain specialized structures are present in the bodies of higher organisms that act as a respiratory organs. Respiration in insects. In insects, gaseous exchange occur through a system of tubes called the tracheal system. The tracheal system consists of tiny holes called spiracles and air tubes called trachea that are further divided into tracheoles. Unlike the method of gaseous exchange through body surface, the tracheal system allows the oxygen in the inhaled air to diffuse directly to the tissues. Respiration in aquatic organism. Gills are respiratory organs in aquatic organisms like prawns, mussels, fish and tadpoles. Gills are thin and most membranous structure that are richly supplied with blood capillaries. During breathing, fish takes in water through its mouth and send it over the gills. Gaseous exchange occur across the gill surface where the dissolved oxygen is absorbed by the blood and is transported to all parts of the body cell. The carbon dioxide produced during respiration is carried back by the blood capillaries and is expelled in the surrounding water. Respiration in terrestrial organism. Lungs are internal conical shaped structure that serve as respiratory organs in organisms with terrestrial mode of life such as frogs, lizards, birds and human beings. In frogs, exchange of gases occur through both lungs and skin. As soon as the oxygen-laden air enter the respiratory organs like skin or lungs, the oxygen is picked up by the blood in the blood capillaries and transported to various tissues. Similarly, blood also picks up carbon dioxide from tissues and brings it back to the respiratory surface for its release into the atmosphere. Why do human beings not respire through the diffusion? The higher multicellular organisms like humans have large body volume. As a result, the oxygen will not be able to diffuse and reach all body cells quickly. Therefore, they breathe through the lungs so that the oxygen can easily reach body cells through blood in very short time. Breathing rate in aquatic animal is much faster than in land animals. Oxygen is dissolved in water while it is present freely in air. The amount of oxygen dissolved in water is also much lesser than that present in air. The aquatic animal use oxygen dissolved in water for respiration. Since the amount of oxygen dissolved in water is much less than that present in air, the breathing rate in aquatic animal is much faster than land animals so that they can get required oxygen. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and share my video. Subscribe my channel.